but I got a bigger size. If we can get 50,000 likes, I'm giving this one away right here. Let's see if you guys can do it, because if not, I don't mind keeping these. But basically, if this video can hit 50,000 likes, I will give away the blue bear brick just because I don't need it. I have so many other bear bricks at home. Alright guys, so right now we're at Exhibit LA. I just chugged a lot of water, so my voice is sounding a little bit better, but I'm redoing my sneaker room and I needed a couple accessories. They have a crazy selection of bear bricks and I'm gonna go with a couple of these. Let me show you guys the store. So they have a bunch of crazy hoodies and a bunch of other clothing. There's a couple crazy things that I'm gonna be picking up and you guys will see at the end of the video. But if you check out this, they got a bunch of shirts, jerseys, accessories, other accessories, socks, minis. And they got famous shark hoodies, you already know. They got every single Bape thing that you need, so make sure you guys pull up. What's going on guys? I'm gonna be doing a little narrating in this video just because my voice was totally gone. I was super sick. My voice was gone one day when I woke up and I had no idea what happened, but I guess I had a sickness and a couple other people that I knew actually had it at the same time, but I'm all better now. The video was actually filmed about 2 weeks ago because last weekend I was at SneakerCon, so then the weekend before, that's when I filmed this. So 2 weeks ago, this video is part 1 of a 2-video series where I'm redoing my whole Hypebeast room. It's not my bedroom, but it's like my sneaker room, which I'm gonna be turning into like a chill hangout room. So the next video, which is gonna be going up in a couple days, I already filmed it. I will showcase my new room with all the stuff in it. So I wanted to get this up before. And with all that being said, let's hop into this video and you guys can see what I pick up. These are really dope. The black one and the white one. I think those are sick. I'm gonna ask the homie when he comes back if I can check out those. Thank you. So these are like Bape Baby Milo little figures. I actually already have a couple of these, but the black and white look really nice. So I think I'm gonna go with these. I think they're like around 300 each, 250 each. And then these are really clean. These are the Bapesters in an all white colorway. And then check out the sole. I think that's super, super clean, but they don't have my size in these. These are really rare and hard to find. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna show you the 1000% size bear bricks that I'm gonna check out, probably buy. This is from the ABC collection, I'm pretty sure. This is a blue camo. This is super clean. This, guys, is a beautiful piece of Hypebeast art. This is the biggest size bear brick that you can get, I'm pretty sure, I think. And then we got this one right here. This is in the green Bape camo colorway. And I'm cashing out right now on both of these. Huge shout out to Exhibit LA. These go crazy. Shout out to my boy Ben. And we got Tommy here. But let me know what you guys think. And I already have 3 bear bricks at home. So if this video can get 50,000 likes, 50, I'm gonna give away this blue one. If we can get 50,000 likes, I'm giving this one away right here. So drop a like on the video. Let's see if you guys can do it, because if not, I don't mind keeping these, you know? All right, so I don't know if you guys could understand me clearly because my voice is cracking a lot, and I'm sorry again for my voice sounding so bad, but I had to get this video done. But basically, if this video can hit 50,000 likes, I will give away the blue bear brick just because I don't need it. I have so many other bear bricks at home, but if it can't hit 50,000 likes, I don't mind keeping it. But make sure you subscribe as well. You have to subscribe. Those are the 2 quick steps. And also, in the next video that will be after this, which is just showcasing the room. I picked the box logo winner in that video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. And then I'll be able to get all these recent giveaways picked and send all the stuff out to winners to their new homes. So I'm gonna check out on these and those over there. And then I'm gonna catch you guys probably at the Container Store because we're gonna get some shelves and stuff for my room. So huge shout out to Exhibit LA. And yeah, we're cashing out on these.
So the total is $3,350.
Yo, so I want to give a huge shout out to Exhibit LA for allowing me to come through and cash out with some great prices. We picked up 2,000% bear bricks. I'm sorry about my voice, I'm really sick, but you know we out here grinding. I got the green one, the blue one, and then we got a couple of the little guys. I'm gonna catch you guys at the Container Store now. We're gonna get a couple display items and options to spice up the room, and these are gonna be super dope in the sneaker room. So huge shout out to Exhibit, and again, drop a like if you guys wanna win this blue one. We gotta get 50,000 likes, and I'm shipping this out to one of you guys. All right guys, so I did pick up a couple shoes earlier at round 2. Brand new pair of Union 1s. In the blue colorway, I just sold my size 10. And I actually sold it on my Instagram. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram, I'm posting stuff for sale on there. But I got a bigger size. Got these. I also got these ones. And I'm super happy because these have a SneakerCon legit tag. These are the red, all red, Euro exclusive ones. Super nice quality. All right guys, so now we're at the Container Store. And then we're gonna pick out some cool things for the sneaker room. Huge shout out to Tommy and Ben for helping me do all this. We stuffed the car. Ben's been helping drive. Tommy's getting crazy video content, and they're gonna help me redo the room. I'm super excited. So see you guys at the Container Store. Color would look nice. This one.
The silver?
Yeah.
And they've got solid shelves for that.
You don't have wood shelves, do you?
Not wood shelves. I have like a wood shelf that you could put on the very top, but nothing to go
Yeah, on the top.
Yeah.
So if it's this tall,
it's that tall.
and then we want this. We want it to end here and then put a figure right here.
Yeah. So it would stop there.
Is that too tall? Or no?
What are you planning?
Like shelf, and then shelf.
Yeah, but what do you do with these?
They're
Do you
look
just
like this
insert
over
shelves?
here. It looks like this.
Oh, the black one.
That black one, yeah.
This is this size, right?
That's
All right, guys. So we're gonna be getting one of these. Without these, we're getting 2 of these, and then we're gonna put like the bear bricks on the top, and then a bunch of accessories on the bottom. It's gonna look dope. And we're gonna catch you guys at home, and we're gonna set all this shit up. Huge shout out to Ben for helping me.
Yeah, let's get it.
Day 1, recent success on the channel, only because of all the people that helped me, and it's a little bit of the dedication that I have, I'd say. Most importantly, all the people around me that helped me out and stuff. So all right guys, so we called an Uber to put all this stuff in it because all this, it's stuffed in here. There's no room at all in the SVR, so we stuffed this and we stuffed the Uber. So I will catch you guys at home. All right guys, so we're back at home now, and I wanted to quickly document what I'm about to do. Right now, I'm gonna be moving all these boxes to like right here, and I'm very tired, but this is gonna look crazy. So I'm gonna be moving all these boxes right here, and then I have to figure out which shoes I'm gonna sell. And I can't keep all these shoes because there's not enough room for it. I may be able to put these boxes right here, but I don't know if I want that. So I will let you guys know, and I will show you guys an updated progress when I move all this stuff myself. So yeah. Guys, so this is the room so far. We're moving all of this and organizing all of it. This is crazy. Huge shout out to my boys, Ben and Tommy, for helping me. But we're doing all this right now.
Tommy.
And hate to say it, but you guys are gonna have to wait till the next video to see the final finished product. All right guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Again, if you guys wanna get that bear brick, 50,000 likes. I know it's a stretch, but if you guys can get it, I will give it away. The blue one, I will ship it out to one of you guys. Also, make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, guys, I'm sorry about my voice, but I really appreciate all the recent support. Support has been crazy, and I can't thank you guys enough. So it's your boy Blake. I'm checking out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and we're out of here. Peace.
Still doing street. Ain't no microphone. Keep me on stage for too long. Oh, hey there, hello. So glad you finally joined us. You leave me feeling joyous. Just thought I'd let you know
Wishing I could capture this moment inside a capsule and leave it up in our castle to leave everyone else baffled. Oh, everything changes the more we get on one accord and end arguments. You have never been my opponent. Every mistake I could own it. I love